Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, and special offers. Now, it's one of the biggest headaches that most persons encounter when it comes to finding that perfect gift. And the thought, particularly for weddings, what shall I give? We don't want to give another blender set. We don't want to give another toaster oven, and certainly not more pots and pans and cutlery, crackery. So what shall we do? We have the perfect solution to all your gift giving ideas, not only for weddings, but of course, those are the ones that really get nerve wracking at times. When we think of graduation gifts, when we think of birthday gifts, christening gifts, when we think of a well done gift, I love you gift, I could never make it without you gift, the gift that keeps on giving is the gift of travel. And we have exactly the perfect solution for you. Now, you know, here at Sheri-Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we have every aspect of travel available that's imaginable. From rail and sail to ocean and river cruises, resort stays, getaways, and extended events. So, how can we bridge the gap between making travel happen and giving that gift that really makes a difference? I'm so glad you asked. We have right now and for every occasion our travel gift certificates. They have a duration of 1 year from the date of purchase, and they can be used for every aspect of travel. So, whatever is your travel decision, your gift certificates can be applied as soon as you have made your first deposit. So, regardless of the fact that a cruise line is running a reduced deposit of $50 or $100, once you have put that deposit down, you can apply your gift certificate to take care of another aspect of payment. And of course, it might just be a getaway down in Ocherius or Montego Bay. It can be used for that too. In brief, your travel gift certificate is good to get you going. Now, we also allow you not only to give these gift certificates for persons who you want to say a special thank you or congratulations to, but you can also keep it for your customers. And when they have made a purchase and it makes you feel very warm inside, give them a Sheri-Funtastic gift travel certificate, and they will come by us, they will redeem it, and it will be useful for all their travel experiences. So watch this short take and see just a run through of all the possible options that you can use your gift certificates towards. And remember, at the beginning of a new year, it's a good time to start planning your holiday ventures and even paying down towards it. So we are starting you off thinking, and we're setting you up going in the direction that will make it worthwhile for you. Take a look at some of what we have to offer, and remember, give us a call 876-345-1437. On our direct line internationally, it's 347-757-6728. And yes, gift certificates are available in US and Canadian dollars in denominations of $25, $50, and $100, both US and Canadian. Did somebody say pound sterling? Oh yes, we will do it in pound sterling as well. We got you covered, don't you worry. 25 pounds, 50 pounds, 100 pounds. We ensure that the gift keeps giving. So give us a call. Start getting your gift certificates now, because remember, at Sheri-Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.
Today it's a very important day for all of us here at MSC. Not only we doing the third sea trials, but we're about to take delivery of our fifth prototype of a totally innovative ship called MSC Seaside. Mrs. Seaside is totally innovative in the design. You can recognize her from everywhere, from far away. She's totally different. She's got an aft part of a ship that has never been seen before. A ship that brings you back to cruising because you're closer to the water. So not only we are generous in public spaces outside, in the open decks, but as well a sea that brings you closer to the navigational moments, which are of course the highlights of going on a cruise. She will be the star, the new attraction in the Miami industry, offering cruising in the Caribbean.
If you've ever wanted a chance to expand your horizons, a chance to explore, to bask in the sunlight and make an enormous splash, to embrace new perspectives and live in the present, the chance is coming. When your chance comes, where will you be? Carnival Horizon, setting sail in 2018.
Get ready to glide through your bucket list on our newest and most exciting ship, Norwegian Bliss. Race the sun on the largest racetrack at sea, zooming past Alaska's glaciers or pristine Caribbean beaches. Wage a galactic battle under the stars in a thrilling game of laser tag. Make waves in our aqua park or dare to whoosh over the side of the ship. The splashes come in all sizes in our kids' aqua park. Massage? Sauna? Salt room? Yes, please. Slide into tranquility in our spa and thermal suite. And unwind after a full day of activities back in your stateroom. From studios to family suites, we have accommodations to match every travel style. Look no further than the Haven to experience true luxury and exclusivity at sea. Your concierge and private butler await your arrival. The phrase "a room with a view" is taken to a whole new level with our 2 observation lounges that are custom built for the spectacular. Take in some fresh air and stroll the waterfront, where every seat boasts the best view in the house. Dive into the heart of Norwegian Bliss at 678 Ocean Place. Charge up your morning with a latte. and sweeten your afternoon with chocolate truffles. And show the true meaning of friendship by splitting a smoked rack of mouth-watering ribs or sharing fresh guacamole with a side of margaritas. Whether you prefer your cocktail shaken, your wine chilled, or your beer craft brewed, toast extraordinary days and kick off legendary nights at one of our unique bars and lounges. The laughs are continuous and the beats infectious. The atmosphere tantalizing and the soundtrack always sensational. Whether you're cruising the Caribbean, the Mexican Riviera, or the wilds of Alaska, there's one way to describe the experiences awaiting you on board. Imagine bliss.
Are you ready? Ready?
Those two words have summoned travelers to ride America's passenger trains for over 175 years. All aboard was and still is the call to adventure. For generations, that call has stirred Americans to explore our vast country, coast to coast. It's a chance to view America at eye level, from our teeming urban centers to quiet country hamlets, from great mountains to picturesque coastlines, from the desert Southwest to the sunny regions of the South. There's a passenger train in the story of almost every American. Trains brought our forefathers to new lives, and they continue to take us on journeys of business, leisure, and love. Amtrak is writing a new chapter today. Whether it's the high-speed Acela Express, the corridor trains, or the long-distance trains, Amtrak is providing transportation alternatives for 21st century Americans. We are proud to be America's railroad. So come along for the historic journey. Amtrak.
I am your Globus Tour Director, and I am as passionate about discovering what makes this world remarkable as you are.
I am your Globus Tour Director, and I know the places I'll show you like a local would, because I am one.
I am your Globus Tour Director, and I'm here at your service to make sure this trip is unforgettable.
We are your Globus Tour Directors, and for more than 85 years, people like us have been your gateway to discovery. On 6 continents, in nearly 80 countries, honing over 150 tours to perfection.
Which means our way of showing you the world is simply like nothing else on earth.
As your personal guide, I consider it an honor to bring you the history, the culture, the beauty, and the law. And I consider it a pleasure to bring it all to life.
This is my home, and as your tour director, I am determined to introduce you to it in a way that will make you love it the way I do.
This is my life's work and my passion, and I consider it my privilege to work for a company who feels the same.
Travel with us, explore with me, and I promise to deliver you more. Not just the highlights, not just the monuments, but the true flavors of each place, up close and personal, so that every journey tells a story.
On behalf of Globus, I take you to the places and experiences that others can't. And I mix it with the wonder and magic that you can't stop talking about.
Together, we'll go behind the scenes.
Skip the lines.
Take the time to take it all in and enjoy every opportunity to simply enjoy.
Because that is what my job is all about. Taking away the hassles, adding in the delights, and ensuring that from start to finish, your vacation is carefree.
So what are you waiting for? Come with me.
Walk the cobblestones.
Taste the Chianti.
Feel the Mediterranean breeze.
Smell the freshest air.
Hold a piece of history in your hands.
And see the world the way I do.
The way we do at Globus.
Hi, I'm Lorraine, a travel director with Trafalgar. We're here in Dubrovnik, and we have many itineraries that stop here filled with amazing things that we show you, but I'm here to show you a few hidden gems of my own. When I'm ready to take a break from all the sightseeing, I duck into the Franciscan monastery. Built in the 14th century, its cloister gardens provide a nice shady spot to relax. Ice cream lovers will have no problems finding gelato-style ice cream in Old Town Dubrovnik, but one of my favorite spots is Peppino's. They use the original Italian recipe, and I dare you to find just one flavor for yourself. Well, the hot weather in Dubrovnik definitely calls for taking a dip, and one of my favorite spots is Banjé Beach. It's known for its crystal clear waters and affords a beautiful view of the outside of Dubrovnik city walls. Park yourself up under a beach umbrella and relax. I always tell my guests to make a stop at the Buja Bar. Find the hidden passageway through the fortifications and you'll find a bar in a truly unique setting. Right outside the city walls, enjoy a cocktail on the rocks. With so many things to do in this city, Dubrovnik is truly an amazing place, and I hope I get to show you around soon.
There's a place full of wonder, full of excitement and joy. There's a place where you can experience love, healing, and grace. There's a place where you can see the Bible come to life. Where is this place? The award-winning Holy Land Experience in Orlando, Florida. The Wilderness Tabernacle, the Great Temple, the Jerusalem Market, the Western Wall, Christus Gardens, the Scriptorium, Old Bethlehem, Smile of a Child Adventureland, karaoke, the Jerusalem Model, water baptism, the Jesus Boat, Holy Communion, the Stations of the Cross, Mount Sinai and the Ten Commandments, and much, much more. And live dramas all day, including the amazing passion drama, We Shall Behold Him. What's new at this place? The Juice Explodes Youth Area. Walk on the Water Interactive Exhibit. The Golgotha Exhibit. Dr. Paul F. Crouch's Antiquities Collection. The Sermon on the Mount. Prayer time at the Empty Tomb. Fascinating artifacts. There's a place. Think you've seen it all? It's only at the Holy Land Experience. There's a place. Been before? Come and see all the new attractions. Now is the time to visit. It's the perfect experience again and again. Amazing attractions, great shopping, wonderful food, and beautiful indoor seating for all the one-of-a-kind presentations. Special discounts for pastors, military, and groups. There's a place. Don't miss it. The Holy Land Experience in Orlando, Florida.
I am on the lookout for the most unique accommodations with Disney Vacation Club here at Walt Disney World Resort. And that is what brings me right here to Disney's Animal Kingdom Villas, where Disney Vacation Club members and guests in Savannah View Villas can watch giraffes and zebras graze right outside their balcony. It truly is an unforgettable experience. But there are so many themed accommodation options with Disney Vacation Club. Let's go check out some of my favorites. Come on. There's no better way to get away from it all than with a tropical themed vacation. At Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows, you can escape to Bora Bora in unique 2-bedroom bungalows right on the water. Complete with adorable pull-down beds, views of Magic Kingdom Park, and plenty of areas designed for relaxation, bungalows offer the ultimate getaway. Speaking of breathtaking theme park views, check this out. I am at Top of the World Lounge at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. This space is exclusive to Disney Vacation Club members, and it is the ideal viewing spot for the Magic Kingdom Park fireworks. To see it from here is absolutely magical. And the views from inside the villas at Bay Lake Tower are pretty magnificent as well. Whether you choose a theme park or lake view, the premier place to stay is in a grand villa. These 2-story, 3-bedroom accommodations offer floor-to-ceiling windows that really wow. Epic views like these are uniquely Disney, but sometimes you just want a quiet retreat. That's when I head to the Treehouse Villas at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. Standing 10 feet off the ground, these unique 8-sided tree houses offer everything you need for an unforgettable glamping getaway. There's fun surprises like bunk beds for the little ones, and a private deck just for you make this stay one that is far from roughing it. And then there's the newest Disney Vacation Club accommodation option, these impressive Cascade cabins. Found at Copper Creek Villas and Cabins at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, these standalone cabins offer the best of everything. Rustic elegance, remarkable views, quiet seclusion, and proximity to the theme parks. Remember, you're just a quick boat ride away from Magic Kingdom Park. There are so many amazing Disney Vacation Club accommodation options that the hardest decision of all is picking which one to stay in first. Choosing my favorite is definitely something I'll need to ponder some more. Happy trails!